saw how easy it was to do these homemade tortillas, right? But you need something to go with it. So I'm gonna show a very quick veggie dish that can go with the tortilla, and you can put any amount of veggies and any veggie you have and it's gonna taste amazing. So for the tortilla filling, I have taken 2 mushrooms, half carrot, half zucchini, yellow bell peppers, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, some beans, some onions, some corn, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika. If you don't have paprika, just use red chili powder, it is okay. Some salt, pepper, oil. Also, I have 1 avocado and some lemon. The reason why I've taken avocado is I'm going to make a spread to put inside the tortillas. I feel Mexican dish is incomplete without avocados, so I do have at home. So I'm just going to mash the avocado. Avocados are nice and creamy and has a very rich texture to them. So I use it as a spread sometimes on breads, or just make a milkshake out of it, or just eat it with some salt and pepper. I've mashed the avocados. I am going to add some salt, about less than half teaspoon of salt for 1 avocado, some pepper, and lots of lemon. Just give it a good mix. Give it a taste. I can actually eat it just like that. So we're gonna set this aside until we cook our vegetables. If you are able to find any Mexican spice mix, go ahead and add it to these veggies. It tastes really nice. So I think my pan's hot. I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of oil. And in that goes my onions. I'm going to let the onions caramelize a bit before I add in the other veggies. I'm going to add in carrots, zucchini, beans. Since these take a bit longer time to cook, I'm going to add them 2 to 3 minutes earlier. You can also cover it and cook. Now I will add in the rest of the vegetables. Mushrooms, peppers, and finally the corn. I'm going to let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. So guys, since we decided to go all Mexican today, I had some freshly sliced pineapples, so I thought I will grill them. It goes really well with the tortillas, so we can chop them up later or just eat it like that. It tastes really nice. So I have a hot grill pan, so I'm just going to place a couple of slices on them. I think it's hot enough. Yeah. On medium high, about 2 minutes on each side, I think should be enough. Just a small tip, when you're grilling something and you want those beautiful lines to come on them, don't move the meat or the fruit from the grill pan. Just let it stay, and once you're about to flip, just flip them. That's when you will get those beautiful grill lines. You need to flip it. Look at the lines, beautiful. So on top of this, I'm going to sprinkle just a bit of salt. I will be adding a bit of paprika. So it's about 2 minutes on both the sides. Wow. It's time to take them out. So it's about 5 minutes. Let's check on our veggies. It's time to add in our garlic powder and our paprika or chili powder, whichever you have. Give it a good mix. I'm going to let this cook for another 5 minutes and then we should be done. I think it's done. We'll add some salt. Not to forget, for some freshness, we will add some parsley or cilantro or coriander, whatever you have. Let's assemble everything we have made and taste how it comes out. So let's take our first tortilla. I'm going to spread some avocado. I will add some of our veggies. It's really hot since we just made it. And some of our pineapple cubes. If you want, you can add some lemon. Look at those. It looks so beautiful. You can also add some fresh lettuce if you have, just on top to give it a nice fresh crunch. So here goes my first bite. I am so happy with this. So happy. Thanks a lot guys for suggesting me to do these homemade tortillas. I really like them. The flavor is so good and they're so soft. Just look at it. Just look at it, how soft they are. They're really soft and it has a beautiful flavor and everything is going together so perfectly. Also, just a small variation, these
tortillas can also be toasted once you fill all this in to get extra crisp. So let's keep doing these new things together, and we all are learning here.